Prince Zach, and I'm back in the place with another video. Sorry for that interruption a while ago, so I'm back in that place. Every time I do video, I have to adjust the camera. Yes, I'm back in the place with another video, people. There. So I'm going to do the reaction one and you want. What do you want? I want me to do. Yeah, the reaction to the video. The COVID-19 video I'm going to post. Prince Zach feeling about COVID-19. Yes, I'm going to do the reaction to it. Yeah, I'm going to talk a bit on this one, not much, but I do as best as I can to like explain things and things I want to do for future videos for you. So I'm going to take so long to post this, but caught up with some stuff, I tell you, so yeah, I get caught up with too much stuff now. So yeah, here we go into the video, people. Yeah, come back and people, we're there, so I'm there walking now. So let's start up with the video. So yeah. Okay, try a video. Yeah. Yeah, some parts that. Only go and go watch it. Viewers don't look so pretty funny, but only go watch it and get the viewers up. Only to get up the views. Bring up the viewers now. Oh, no, move so quarantine and not video and I'd watch more Prince Zach video. I not drop as much as but I know I want to go about video funny video and something. So yeah. But when I drop it yet because my backup phone now been a trip and it's not working well. Very old. Yeah. The mash up big time. Yeah. So I'm go watch the video, see it and see me I say stand on the yard, I say stay home, break with yourself and go a road without a mask and anything and sanitizer and protect yourself. Yeah. So here we're going to the reaction. 13 comments. Now I just have to go some one way. But I'm going to react to. 2-person comment, so I'm seeing something. Portia McKenzie, you know who that, aka Jenna P. Big up yourself, you see Jenna P. She say, yo Zach, do some prank and you at your yard. Portia, you gotta do prank call. But prank with my family members, them they don't want to go wrong cause. And I like the dance with my family, but we do prank call them and do some prank call with people and prank them and everything. You see, what you say something about the prank text. I don't know how to do the prank text, you see in general, so put something right on the screen and like scroll to message and show them. I'm not the type of person for text prank because I like the text too long, you see. I'm going to call you, I'll talk. I can prank in your face. Talk to you and prank you. But if you text brother, talk along with the person not like it. Because the person type faster than me. And like boom, by the time I send you a message, person pick up, no, that. Prank text of people with type fast, you see. The type fast and make in my vibes and everything, and I know so people are texting and I reply up to them. Yeah, but no, I'm not going to do no prank text. I do prank call and I see me G. Yeah man, post man, I do a prank call but now prank nobody on me yard or anything. I'm going to try to do my best in some video and do some funny videos and get to watch and something. So, Carly, can I hear cause keep your hand from your face? Keep nothing there for my hand. Nothing there for my hand. She said keep my hand from face now. I have a video usually my hand like no face. Hand clean. Yeah. And clean, wash me hand every minute. You see, every minute wash my hand, and clean, and perfectly clean. You see, said you that's a video prank test into a mad thing, bro. I say mad thing with you, bro. But when you turn your yard, nobody know about that guy road. You see, Jenna. Play boss TV, did I pronounce it right? Drop 2 bomb. Drop 2 bomb. But drop bomb from Corona. Yeah, man, just drop a bomb then from Corona. Oh, cousin, yeah. Cousin? She says Zach. And I said, wow, how are you? Hope you ask your home as well anyway, Z. For a comment, there's a comment now. I'm Queen Jada. Yes. She's a YouTuber as well. You can check out her YouTube channel, she does nice videos. So she and Queen, that's her channel. She said, me never used to left yard from day one. My asthma so damn bad. If she catch that, she dead. If she catch corona. Yeah, tell me say I left a yard. That's a lie. Tell that to smart when I really know. Hey, I like in Jada. Tell that to smart when you know. Boy, you know left a yard. If you don't left a yard, something most wrong. You're sick, you're sick, you know sick, you're sick off. No, no. You know maybe sick off, no, not, but Jada, you left a yard. When I go to school, what I call left yard. When I go to road, left yard. When I go to shop, left yard. When I go to post it, left yard. But still left yard. Or you left yard can be one. You stay in your house. Can bet all of this corona sickness, she must go 40. So yeah, that's all the comment I see. Hold on, one more. Marco, are you don't judge me that G. Don't judge me. Marco XDTV. If we pronounce it wrong, sorry, you see brother. Sorry, you know we could pronounce your channel name. Then we pronounce it. So it's like Prince Zach is back, you see Prince Zach is back. Yeah man bro God. So the day upon the block, you know. So yeah, that's all the comment. Ryan Smith drop the flames, brother. We are trying to burn me up, bridging. Burn me up my Ryan. Why on that? Why? Why Bolo? Why? What I'm doing. So yeah, we made it to the end of the video, my guy. As that was the last comment and everything, people. Yeah, that was the last one. Yeah. So, no more than to like, share, and subscribe. Please help me reach 400 subscribers before quarantine done. I'm begging you people not do no much, do one after do, and help me reach 400 subscribers. Please, I'm begging you people. You see it? Help me up there. Help me reach up there. You see it? I reach 400 then 500, just as me I say. So yeah, help me reach up there. That was the last comment. Yeah, this was Ryan's last comment. Ryan Smith. Flames, why? I burn me up, brother. I burn me. Yeah, so. Yeah, man. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and everything, and do what you want to do. You see it? Do what you want to do, people. Just do what you want to do. So I say, like, share, and subscribe. That's me. I say it again, and I say it over and over and over and over. Boy, you're fetching today. So, Prince Lock out. You see it, people. Boop. Not God. Oh. Money up my Ryan. Why on that? Why? Why Bolo? Why? What I'm doing. So yeah, we made it to the end of the video, my guy. As that was the last comment and everything, people. Yeah, that was the last one. Yeah. So no more than to like, share, and subscribe. Please help me reach 400 subscribers before quarantine done. I'm begging you people not do no much, do one after do, and help me reach 400 subscribers. Please, I'm begging you people. You see it? Help me up there, help me reach up there. You see it? I reach 400 then 500, just as me I say. So yeah, help me reach up there. That was the last comment. Yeah, this was Ryan's last comment. Ryan Smith, Flames, why? I burn me up, brother. I burn me. Yeah, so yeah, man. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and everything, and do what you want to do. You see it? Do what you want to do, people. Just do what you want to do. So I say, like, share, and subscribe. That's me. I say it again, and I say it over and over and over and over. Boy, you're fetching today. So, Prince Lock out. You see it, people. Boop. Not God. Oh.